In this video, I will show you how to add admin on Instagram page. So to get started, before you actually head over into your Meta Business Suite account, you'll need to set up your Instagram account as a professional account on Instagram before you can actually manage it on Meta Business Suite. And here, go ahead and head over to the settings section by clicking on the settings, and this will take you here. And here, go ahead and click on that invite people button at the top right of your screen and click on that enter contact info. You'll need to enter their first name, last name, and their business email in this section. What you'll need to enter here is the information of your admin that you're gonna add on your Instagram page. Once you have entered all the necessary information, go ahead and hit on that save button. Once you have saved that, you can go ahead and click on that invite people button at the top right. And in here, you'll need to enter their email address again, where Meta Business Suite is going to send an invitation message to. Now, under this, you'll be able to find this additional settings, such as temporary access or Meta Spark access. So if this admin will just temporarily manage your account, you can set this to temporary access by enabling temporary access and setting the date to when this user will have temporary access into your Instagram page via Meta Business Suite. After that, go ahead and hit on the next button. Now select your business asset in this area and click on confirm selection. Now make sure to enable all of the necessary access that you'll need. Hit on the next button. On the next step, you'll need to review the invitation and click on the send invitation to be able to send the invitation of having access into your Meta Business Suite account for Instagram on the admin that you've actually hired for your Instagram page. And that is how you can simply add admin on your Instagram page. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.